Hey guys, okay, we got a really weird comment on YouTube. Actually I did, but she was just there to see it. And this guy named Puka666, which is really bad. What does Puka mean anyways? And who are you? And your question was really bizarre. Really weird. You know, your questions.
Oh yeah, it's like a paragraph.
Man, like I'm not even gonna answer all of them because it's pointless and we'd be here for like 18 minutes. So,
Can I have a rojo?
Yes, you can.
Rojo.
Okay. So, your question was,
Is it still on?
yeah. If you suddenly grew to be 11,000 feet tall, explain how you might accidentally step on some people and what they'd see when they look up at you and notice that you stepped on them.
They would see my pedicure toes.
Exactly. If I stepped on them, they would always see like their life flash before their eyes.
Okay.
You also asked me
This is
if
where it
I
got
would enjoy
creepy.
it.
This is when it got creepy.
Yeah, you also asked me if I would enjoy it and what part of my foot I'd like to squish them with. I would not enjoy that. I don't want to kill anyone.
I do.
Yeah, I do kind of.
There's one person.
But it doesn't matter. But I wouldn't kill them with my bare foot.
And would you enjoy that?
I'd kill them with like a poisonous dart or something.
Like on the Princess Diaries.
Mm-hmm. And with what part of my foot I would use?
The heel, because he wants to touch it with your feet.
Yeah. Or maybe I would do like a ballerina spin thing, so it'd be like on the tip of my toes. Just do a plie. You know what I'm saying? Just like step on them. And then like do a swirl on them so they kind of like see.
Ew, you're
You're
not as dimension as he is!
I'm making it dainty. But that's all we're gonna ask or answer.
Because the rest, we're not doing it.
There's like 18 more questions, guys, and we're not gonna do that. So, anyways.
But keep on writing if, you know,
Yeah.
I'm curious.
We were excited to get a message. We never get those.
Yeah. I'm a preacher's daughter.
She is. Tulsa. Big church is where he works.
The cook there is a 5-star chef.
Today
was a really good day.
Oh, it was.
We raced in my car and I won.
We
beat that Walter and Dustin and Blake.
No, Blake. Oh, he was kind of behind. He wanted to.
He
He just rode with us.
I should have skinned the car. Next time I will.
We're gonna do it again?
Probably. You know Walter's gonna want a rematch.
Yeah. No girls beat him.
You know what's not sexy? Eating.
I know.
You can't make eating sexy.
Try going to Panda.
No, go to Chipotle. Get the burrito. You're trying to make that sexy, man. You can work it.
If you can figure out how to get chow mein noodles into your mouth while you're trying to have a conversation, type it in, and we'll applaud you on here.
With the claps and everything. Why are short people always so aggressive? What?
It's aggressive.
Every short guy I know. It's called the small man disease. And I want to know why.
Okay, who do you have in mind?
Huh?
Who do you have in mind?
Well, I don't know any short guys.
You want to have a burping contest?
No.
We should.
No, I really don't. That was funny!
Am I getting really close to the camera and then getting really far? Hold on.
You can't. I don't have anything. Cheating!
Oh, let me breathe. It's going to suck, I already know.
That was me. Beat that.
I can't beat that.
Yeah, I tried.
I'm gonna try, but I don't think I can. That was really good.
I know, and it came up twice. I'm trying.
Okay. Okay, let's do it.
I might throw up.
Let's go.
By the point you're competing, you'll be really mad. Another one.
Hi.
It takes me a while. I can't.
Take me.
Cause you got like, I don't know. No. I told you.
Was that it?
Yeah, it was.
Oh, don't tell me who won.
What do you think, you man?
I
God.
kind of have the feeling I won.
On a normal day, I would beat you.
Well.
You know that. Oh, look at my hair. We're
Leave us
still.
comments if you're impressed with our burping. Kaylee has better burps, I promise. And Puka 666.
Who are you?
5 people who are watching.
Yeah, because we know you do.
I know. I'm like, we really appreciate that. We do, because we don't know who you are.
Is it kind of like interesting? Because I love looking at people's lives, and right now you're looking at our life, kind of. But we're really fun.
Yeah.
Like right now, we seem really boring, and even though the last time I said that we were really boring, we're actually not. We do car races, and like I win them because my car is awesome, and then 4-wheelers and the hay bells
like, we have a
and
lot of fun. And
fire.
you know what? I've been asked, because we make these videos, how much free time do you have? And I'm like, we have free time when everyone else is in school.
Yeah.
So
Like when
we
that
don't-
bell rings, like at 3:30, we're gone. Busy.
Yeah. Well, again, we're going to go. Finally. We'll see y'all later. Comment us.